His Excellency Mr. John Frakes, Australian High Commissioner to Fiji, the Executive Directors of Bundarim Group Limited, the Chief Operation Officer Mr. Ray Hall, Senior Management of Freshpack Ginger Fiji Limited, Shanti Krishna, distinguished guests, staff, and ladies and gentlemen. Good morning and a Happy New Year to you all. I'm delighted to be here this morning to officiate this refurbished Freshpack Ginger Fiji Limited factory here at your site in Lami. As you are aware, the Honorable Inia Seruratu, Minister for Agriculture, was supposed to officiate this auspicious occasion. However, due to his commitment as climate change champion, the Honorable Minister is currently in Germany following up on the implementation of COP23 outcomes. I take this opportunity to convey his best wishes to you all. I wish to acknowledge Mr. Ray Hall for the invitation and for the kind words of welcome. Thank you, management, for the tremendous work done here at the factory. Thank you, Freshpack Bundarim, for the commitment and dedication to the development of ginger industry in Fiji. Keep up the good work. I would also wish to acknowledge Bundarim Group Limited for your partnership and investment to the agriculture sector, especially to our ginger industry. Appropriate private-public partnership is economically viable and proven to lead to greater expansion, increased productivity, and growth. This is what we are seeing here this morning, and I wish to thank you on behalf of the Fiji government and all our ginger stakeholders, especially our ginger farmers. Ladies and gentlemen, ginger plays an important role in the livelihood of the people of Fiji. It creates employment, generates income for the rural people, alleviates poverty, and is environmentally sustainable. Since the 1950s, Fiji has been exporting ginger. By the mid-1980s, ginger had become the second biggest agriculture export after sugar, with over 2,300 tons of mature fresh ginger sea-freighted annually to North America. Today, the focus on export market is a narrow seasonal niche by baby ginger. In parallel to the fresh export industry, processed ginger is now the industry's dominant sector and is where the greatest growth opportunities lie. When compared to the other communities, ginger has significantly greater growth potential than any of Fiji's other agriculture export industries. Fiji has a comparative advantage in growing, processing, and exporting ginger products due to our good soil and climate, seasonality, pest and disease status, proven processor exporters who pull supply through the value chain, a substantial pool of small farmers that can be drawn upon to increase production, ability to meet organic certification requirements, favorable image on high-value markets, and ability to meet increasingly stringent food safety requirements. There are realistic market opportunities for Fiji to at least double ginger product sales over the next 5 years. For example, the opening of the mature ginger market in Australia in 2013. However, achieving this will depend on all stakeholders, farmers, private sectors, processors and exporters like Freshpack and Bundarim, and government to work together in delivering the necessary production at the required quality. Ladies and gentlemen, from the government's perspective, the vision for the ginger industry in Fiji is for a substantially expanded Fiji ginger industry that is both economically and environmentally sustainable, which provides a worthwhile livelihood for an increased number of people. The underlying philosophy around which this ginger plan is built is that it is the agribusiness companies who will pull ginger through the value chain. This has always been the case and will continue to be in the future. The role of various public sector entities involved, such as the Ministry of Agriculture, is to facilitate the supply of quality ginger from the farmers that meets the requirements of agribusinesses. This is through such things as supporting businesses' development and investment in creating an enabling regulatory and service delivery environment. The three primary objectives of the Ginger Development Plan is 1, to at least double the volume and value of ginger purchased by agribusinesses processing and exporting companies. 2, to increase at least 50% the number of farmers involved in ginger production in any one year. 3, to enhance the environmental sustainability and longer-term financial viability of ginger growing. As already stated, realizing of the vision and meeting the objectives of the plan depends on all the actors along the ginger value chain. Ladies and gentlemen, farmers are the key private sector stakeholders in realizing the industry vision and objectives of the plan. Farmers must have the knowledge and resources to meet the requirements of the buyers, that is the processors and exporters. With the private sector collaboration, we can facilitate their development in terms of training, technical and financial assistance, and other collaborations. As for the ginger processors and exporters of private sectors, government will continue its support to see that you will continue to lead the development of ginger industry. You are the key actors at the other end of value chain. Government is putting more emphasis in creating an investment-friendly environment where it encourages expansion, high growth, and increased returns. These include the development of major infrastructures, enhancing market access, improving information flows, reviewing of policies, and removal of constraints that always hinder developments. Ladies and gentlemen, I was informed that the new refurbishment cost around Fijian $300,000, and I believe this renovation is very critical, especially for companies like Freshpack in terms of food quality. This is your image, this is where your brand begins. Having a new working environment will not only boost the morale of the people working for the company, but as mentioned already, it will bring about increased productivity, which is for the betterment of the company. With those few words, the government looks forward to working with you in leading the development of ginger industry in Fiji. We wish Freshpack Ginger Fiji Limited and Bandarim Group all the best in your undertakings. Vinaka Bakalevu, Dhanewad, Sheshe, thank you.